So I have my short front panel and one of the pockets ready to serge. And what I wanted to show you guys today was just a quick tip on how to serge curves. You don't need any pins or anything like that. You just need a little bit of knowledge about physics. So I'm gonna get right into it. I have a front panel of a pair of shorts here and the pocket. So you can see it's just a very short curved seam. And I am going to show you how I will serge this without any kind of pins or anything like that. So I'm gonna make sure my knife's up. And then I am going to apply my knowledge of physics, as I was mentioning earlier. And I know this sounds scary, but just like when you're driving, you are going to accelerate around the curve. So watch this. Not bad, not half bad at all. So practice a little bit with it, but the principle is the same as driving. When you go around a curve, you speed up. When you sew a curve, speed up. I hope this was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel for more daily sewing tips. Thanks so much.